is sufficiently clear. We're talking about what a reasonable, law-abiding person in that culture, in that society, would know. And so if a biblical term is well known within that sub-community, no other definition might be needed.
One thing that's kind of relevant to that is going on right now too in politics is with Ted Cruz and the statement he made about Donald Trump having New York values. And I know he was coming under a lot of scrutiny for that because they were saying, well, what are New York values, pertaining to Ted Cruz and then pertaining to Democrats or other people in the party.
What do you think it meant?
What's that?
What do you think he meant? If he were a legislature saying, "Thou shalt not have New York values,"
right?
What did that mean?
And I think he meant liberal type values, but that's just because I was looking at him and the way he's ran his campaign and everything like that. So I mean, it kind of goes hand in hand with what you're saying. If that is open to interpretation on the people that enacted the statute or use that language.
Yeah, I mean, if you can put things in context, it may become clearer than it would be if you just, said it some other. I don't want to get into, Trump and Cruz and Clinton and Sanders and all that stuff. But I will tell you that a whole lot of people in my milieu took New York values to also mean Jewish. There's a whole group of people who, when they talk about New York,
You've got to be kidding me.
gotta be kidding. Yeah.
I am a Jewish member of Ted Cruz's state leadership team. Come on.
Yeah,
No, come on, guy. I mean, listen, you're a great professor, but come on. It's ridiculous.
It is so ridiculous.
I mean, comments like that affect people's lives.
Thousands of people have said that.
They affect people's lives. You're a professor of criminal law, and you are making anti-Semitic comments that refer a presidential candidate to be anti-Semitic? I mean, I'm only going to go so far on comments like that.
If you want to continue, we'll talk about it later. Here's the final point I want to get at. Mr. Banks. Now, I don't know if this is...
Glad we got that on recording.